Beep, beep. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's go! Wow! Welcome to the jungle. It is so big and then green. Look! Who is this big friend? It's an elephant. Oh no! The elephant is spraying water. It's a rainbow. Oh look! A silly monkey with a banana. Look at him go. Swing, monkey, swing. So fast. Look who is sleeping. It's a big lion. Wake up, lion. Roar! Wow, that is loud. Look up. This friend is very tall. It's a giraffe. Munch, munch. The giraffe loves yummy green leaves. Yay! We made so many friends today. Time to go home. Bye-bye, jungle friends. See you next time.